Dear parents and beloved students, welcome to Saad Educare. Today we are going to discuss about connecting addition and subtraction. We are following Learner's Book 2, Cambridge Primary Mathematics. Let's start. First, we will start find the inverse calculation. What does mean? Inverse means just opposite. Suppose 2 plus 1 equals to 3. We know this one. It means 3 minus 1 equals to 2, right? Similar, 3 minus 2 equals to 1. It means this one, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So once we subtract this one from this one, we will get 2. Similar, once we subtract these 3 to 2, we will get 1. Similar thing like 5 plus 4 equals to 9. It means 9 minus 4 we will get 5. Again 9 minus 5 we will get 4. Now let's start our main topics. Here is 4 plus 6 is a 10. It means 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Similar, 19. Here is 12 plus 7 equals to 19. It means 19 minus 7 equals to this 12. Right? Similar, 21 plus 26 equals to 47. So 47 minus 26, it should be 21. Again 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Now inverse, once you see plus it will become minus, and once you see minus it will become plus. It means 10 minus 8 equals to 2. It means 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Similar, 17 minus 6 is a 11. It means 11 plus 6 is a 17. And finally 39 minus 16 is a 23. So 23 plus 16 is a 39. Okay, so first one, find the inverse calculation, done. Second question, find the inverse calculation to check each calculation. It's a similar thing. Here is 19 minus 4 is a 15. So we can write 15 plus 4 is a 19. Similar, 37 plus 22 is a 59. So 59 minus 22 will become 37, right? Similar, 28 minus 15 is a 13. It means 13 plus 15 will be 28. Reverse, inverse. Look, once here is minus, we are doing for inverse plus. Last one, 25 plus 23 is a 48. It means 48 minus 23 is a 25. Okay, so very simple, no need too much worried. Dear parents, please just do more practice for your child. A practice make perfect. So number 2 done. In this video we are trying to solve at least 4 math, which is 1 2 3 4. Now next one, here mention write 6 numbers bonds for 10. Write the inverse calculation for each number bond for 10. How? Look, first we can start from here. This is number 3. We have to make 6 numbers bonds for 10. Suppose 1 plus 9 equals to 10. This is a number 1. So for inverse we can write 10 minus 9 equals to 1, right? Similar, we can say 10 minus 1 equals to 9. It means 1 plus 9 equals to 10. It means 10 minus 9 is a 1. Even 10 minus 1 is a 9. Number 2. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. For inverse, we can write 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Similar, 10 minus 2 equals to 8. Right? Number 3, we have to make similar 6 bonds. Similar, 3 plus 7 equals to 10. We can write 10 minus 7 equals to 3. Similar, 10 minus 3 equals to 10. This is our result. Once we subtract minus 7, we will get 3. Again, once we subtract 3, we will get 7. Right? Number 4. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Similar, 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Again, 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Right? Number 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. It's a simple thing. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. And finally, number 6. We can write what? We can write, suppose 6 plus 4 equals to 10. It means what? We already did this one. It means 10 minus 4 equals to 6. Similar, 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Okay? Now, very important thing. Look. First, we have to read the question. Number 4. Find the missing digit in each calculation. Look, very carefully look. 5 plus 2 is a 7. It means 7 minus 2 is a 5. Right? Again, 6 plus 5 is a 11. It means 11 minus 6 is a 5, or 11 minus 5 is a 6. Right? Now look, it's a very interesting thing. Here is 2 digit, 7 blank minus 3 5. So result is 1. What does mean? Let's check. Suppose 4 minus 3 is a 1. So it means 1 plus 3 is a 4. Right? Inverse, 1 plus 3. Again, 5 plus 4. It's a what? 9. It means 9 minus 4 is a 5. So it's a very important thing. 7 blank minus 3 5. So what we will put in here? Look, here is minus. It means 5 plus 1 is a 6. So it means 6 minus 5 is a 1. Similar, 7 minus 3 is a 4. Next one. 5 2, it means 52. Then blank 7. Result is 99. So look, 2 plus 7 is a 9. Similar, 9 minus 7 is a 2. Similar, here we should something minus, or we can write also 5 plus 4 is a 9. Right? Or we can say 9 minus 4 is a 5. So blank position, it should 4. Next one. 3 minus 2 is a 1, or we can say 1 plus 2 is a 3. So similar, here is minus 4, but here is blank. It means 4 plus 2 is a 6. It means 6 minus 4 is a 2. Look, Suppose we can write 5 minus 3, it means 2. It means this is minus, it means 2 plus 3 is a 5. Similar, here is plus. So 5, we need 3, then it will become 8. It means 5 plus 3 is a 8 and 4 plus 3 is a 7. Very simple. Now for your test, like this is your homework. Number 1. Suppose here is 81 plus here is a blank and here is 7 and here 8 and here what? Suppose 9. So you should find the value which we will keep in here. And second one, suppose 78 minus, okay, and here is 3, it means 8 minus 3 is a 5 and here is also 5. So what will be the answer? So this is your homework and we have to complete this video in here. Next video we will start from number 5, which is like this: a box, a family house, and estimate, solve and use the inverse calculation to check for next video. But this video we will stop here. Thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is helping you, dear parents, please subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.